Hi friends, this is the lecture number 3. Okay, in the lecture number 3, we are just talking about the linear equation. Okay, the graphical representation of the linear equation. We are in this lecture we will explain everything. Okay, my request to everyone that please go in the previous lecture, then it will be better for you to understand what we are teaching you. So the first question, in the first question, what they have asked, minimum z is equal to x1 plus x2. 5x1 plus 10x2 is less than equal to 50 and x1 plus x2 is greater than equal to 1, x2 is less than equal to 4 and x1 x2 is greater than equal to 0. Already we have drawn to save my time. Okay, so now first inequalities we have drawn. How to draw already we have discussed in the previous lecture, you must go. So 5x1, so this line it is representing this inequalities. You can take any number. You know that this is 5 0. If I will put 5 0 here, 5 and 0, and this is 5x1 plus 10x2 is equal to 50. Sorry, this is 0 5 and 5. If I will take 0 5 here, 0 and 5 10 is 50. This is satisfying, and this is 10 0. Okay, if I will put 10 into 5 is equal to 50 plus 0 is equal to 50. Okay, so both points are satisfying. So after that we have drawn this line. Okay, this line it is this one, but he has given us less than equal to means you will take any point. Suppose I am taking 0 0 is less than 50. Yes, it implies that this region will satisfy our condition, our inequalities. Okay, number second is x1 plus x2 is greater than equal to 1. Okay, so let this is x1 plus x2 is equal to 1, not greater than, that equal to 1. So I am taking 1 0. If I will take 1 0, then it is satisfying. 1 0 is equal to 1 and 0 1 is equal to 1 and 0 1 also satisfying. So this point and this point both are satisfying. After that I join the both point. So this line it is indicating x1 plus x2 is equal to 1, but he is asking x1 plus x2 is greater than equal to 1. So if I will take 0 0, 0 0 is greater than 1. No, this is not greater than 1. I will take any point here. 10 plus 0 is equal to 10 is greater than 1. Yes, it implies that this region it is satisfying our condition. Now third one is x2 is equal to 4. x2 is equal to 4 is this line. Okay, x2 is equal to 4 is this line, but he has given us less than. Now I will take 0. 0 is less than 4. Yes, so this region is satisfying our condition. Now he has given x1 is greater than 0. It implies that this region is satisfying our region, and x2 is greater than, this is x2 is greater than 0 and this is x1 is greater than 0. So now I will check that the region which is taking everything, means this condition, it is holding all the conditions. So this region, you can think that this region, this region it is holding all the inequalities. You know that it is this region it is satisfying also. There are some points also from this x2 is equal to 4. Okay, so it is satisfying this one. It is also satisfying. This is x2 is equal to 0. It is satisfying also this. This is x1. This is x2 is equal to 0. It is satisfying this. This is x1 is equal to 0. It is also satisfying this. Okay. Now x1 plus x2 is greater than 1. So there is also some points of 4 x1 plus x2. Okay. So it is also satisfying this one. And 5 x1 plus x2 it is also, you know that there are some points in this. It is also touching. So this is also satisfying. So this is this common region. This is the feasible region. Already we have discussed. This is the feasible region. So our answer it will be hold in this region. Okay. Now he has asked z is equal to x1 plus x2, but it is the minimum this time. This is not maximum. So you will take all the point. This point at first you will take this. This is 0 1 0 1 you will take, and then 1 0, and after then third point is 10 0. Okay. Then after then next point is this is 2 4. Then after then 0 4. So one by one you will put all the points here. Okay, at first if I will put 0 1 here, then after that I will get 1. if I will put 1 0, then again I will get 1, z is equal to, okay, z is equal to, okay. If I will put 10 0, then I will get 10. If I will put 2 4, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, and 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. So which one is the minimum? Minimum is this and this, both are minimum. But this 1 0 and 0 1 both are here, okay. So there are more than 2 points, it is satisfying our condition. It implies that these 2 points are in this line. So it implies that there are infinite number of points. There are infinite number of points that are in this line. x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. It is satisfying this z is equal to x1 plus x2 for minimum. It implies that it has infinite number of solution. Infinite number of solution. Okay. You can think that this, if you have more than one solution, then you can think that it has infinite number of solution. Okay. So you can see that 1 0 is here and 1 0 1 is here. So if you will join both lines, then also it is also minimum. Okay. So if you take any point from here, then it will also give you the minimum value. Okay. So it has infinite number of solution. Okay. If you have any problem, then it may be it has finite number of solution, maybe it has infinite number of solution, maybe it has no solution. Okay. Question number 1 we have solved. Now we are coming in the question number 2. In the question number 2, he has given you max z is equal to x2 plus 0.75 x1 and x1 minus x2 is greater than equal to 0, minus 0.5 x1 plus x2 is less than 1 and x1 and x2 is greater than equal to 0. My request to everyone, please open a copy, pause the video and write everything what I am talking. Okay. So again I am repeating, z is equal to x2 plus 0.75 x1, x1 minus x2 is greater than equal to 0, minus 0.5 x1 plus x2 is less than 1, x1, so x1 is equal to x2 means all the points are same, 0 0, 1 1, 2 2, so I have drawn this line. So this line is representing x1 minus x2 is equal to 0. But here he has given us this is greater than 0. Now you will take any point. Let 3 0. If I will put 3 0, 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 3 is greater than 0. Yes, it implies that this region it will satisfy our condition. Okay, our restriction. You can also think. Now the second one is minus 0.5. Minus 0.5 x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. Already we have drawn this line. How to draw? Go in the previous lecture. Now we will take any number from here. Now I am taking suppose 4 0. If I put here 4 0 minus 0.5 into 4, that is negative value. Negative value is less than 1. Yes, it implies that this region is satisfying our conditions. Okay, and x1 and x2 is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. So you have this region. You know that common region is this. So there are infinite number of points, there are infinite number of points, there are infinite number of points, there are infinite. For this line, there are infinite number of points, for this, there are infinite number of points, there are infinite number of points, there are infinite number of points. So this is the common region. This is the common region. But this common region, you know that this common region, it is not closed. It is going to infinite. What he has given you max value. So you know that if your region it is unbounded, it is not bounded. If your region is unbounded, you know that if you will take any point, suppose I am taking 10 0, then your value is greater than. Suppose I am taking 100, then again this is because 100 0 is also satisfying here. 1000 also satisfying this one because of we have to get maximum value. If I will put here minimum in this condition, it will be never unbounded. Your solution is unbounded because there are infinite number of points. This line it is going to infinite, and this line also there are infinite number of points. Okay, so if you will go forward, then after that you will take any number, then it will also satisfy because you have to find the maximum value. Okay, so there are infinite number of maximum points that will satisfy our condition. So it has unbounded solution. So it has unbounded solution. Okay, solution, you have solution but unbounded. It has infinite number of solution. This is unbounded solution. Okay, so now okay, it has solutions but it has unbounded. If you go, there are infinite number of points, so there is no solution actually, unbounded solution. Okay, now the question number 3. In the question number 3, he has given you max z is equal to 6x1 minus 2x2, 2x1 minus x2 is less than 2, and x1 is less than 3, and x1 x2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, at first forget this one, whatever they have written, forget it. At first we have to draw this one. 2x1 minus x2 is equal to 2. So already we have drawn this line. How to draw? Go in the previous lecture. Now x1 is equal to 3. We have drawn x1 is equal to 3, and x1 and x2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, the first one. Once you have drawn this line, then you will take any point. Suppose I am taking 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 10 is less than 2? No. 10 is not less than 2. It implies that one point it is not satisfying. For this line, it implies that this region it will not satisfy. Okay, it implies that this region it will satisfy our conditions for this restriction. Okay, now second one is x1 is equal to 3. This is the line x1 is equal to 3. Now you will take one point from here or here, any point. Suppose I am taking 4. 4 is less than 3. No, it implies that this region is not satisfying. This region it will satisfy our condition. This region is satisfy our condition. Now he has given you x1 is greater than 0. This is also greater than 0, and this is also greater than 0. Now think, you know that this line x1 is greater than 0. This there are infinite number of points. It is also, and this is the common region actually. This is the common region. Now this is the common region. Okay, this is the common region. Okay, but this line is also infinite. Okay, this is the common region, but this line is also infinite, and you have to find the maximum solution. So in this condition, there are infinite number of points that will satisfy our this condition, but infinite number of points. But this is unbounded. The problem is solution, but it is going to infinite. So there are infinite number of points. So in this condition, your solution, this is again unbounded. Your solution again it is unbounded solution, unbounded. Okay, because this region it is not closed region. Okay, it is going to infinite. Okay, this is not closed region. Okay, this is open region. Now question number 4. In the question number 4, z is equal to 3x1 plus 4x2. x1 minus x2 is less than or equal to 1. Minus x1 plus x2 is less than or equal to 0. x1 comma x2 is greater than or equal to 0. So at first forget it, whatever they have written, either max, minimum, I am just not. You can take also here max or minimum. Okay, this is a special question. So now x1 minus x2 is less than 10 and less than 1. So I have drawn this line also already we have drawn. How to draw? Go in the previous lecture number 1. So now you will take any number from here. Suppose I am taking 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 is less than minus 1. No, 0, 0 is not. It implies 0, 0 is here. 0, 0 is not. 0, 0 is not less than minus 1. It implies that this region it will not hold. It implies that this region it is satisfying our condition. Now second, before this line. Now again I am taking 0. Okay, I am taking suppose here 4, 0. 4, 0. 4, 0 minus 4 is less than 0. Yes, minus 4 is the yes. Minus 4 it implies that this region is satisfying our condition. Now x1 is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. This is greater than 0. Now you have two different regions. One region is this, and one region is this. And you know that this region it is not holding this condition. x2 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. There is only no. Okay, this it is not holding this one. x1 is this one. Okay, so because this there are infinite number of points, it is satisfying this condition. Okay, so if it would be just below, okay, if I will just use this equation, x1 minus x2 is greater than or equal to -1, then you have a solution. But for this you do not have a solution, because you have one region is this, one region is this. Okay, so you do not have the common region, means you do not have the common region. So whenever you do not have the common region, in this condition you have no solution. In this condition you have no solution, because this region is different, this region is different. Whenever you are getting different region, in this condition you have no solution. Infinite number of solution, unbounded solution, unique solution. The first question is unique solution, already we have solved it. Okay, the first question in the previous lecture number 2, the question I have solved, that was the unique solution. So unique solution I have solved, and infinite number of solution I have solved. Unbounded we have also discussed. No solution we have also discussed. The last one is redundant. Redundant. What is the meaning of redundant? Redundant means meaning is this: x1 plus x2 is less than or equal to 1. Okay. And if I will write 2x1 plus 2x2 is less than or equal to 1, you know that both are same. If you draw the graph, I don't have a space. If you draw the graph, both are showing the same condition. Suppose I am drawing here. How to draw this one? 1 0, 1 0 and 0 1. It is satisfying this line. Okay, and it is satisfying. This is 2. Okay, in this condition your line is this. So this line it is showing this region, and this line it is showing this region. Okay, so this line it is giving you this common region. Okay, x1 x2 is greater than or equal to 0. This is sufficient to give us the common region. Okay, this is giving us this region, and this is also giving us this one. If you will remove this line, then after that there is no effect in our solution. You have this region, already this equation it has given you this region, but if you are just using this region, it is giving you this. If I will write 3, then after that you will get this one. Okay, so there, if you remove this line, then after that there is no effect. There is no effect in this region, in our solution. If there is no effect in our solution after removing any equation, that is the redundant. Redundant means extra, something extra, no meaning. Okay, this equation it is not showing any meaning. Okay, so redundant means no meaning. Okay, I think that you understand. Okay, in the next lecture I will solve many questions, then your concept it will clear. Okay, I think that if you have any query, okay, and then you must write in the comment box. Then we will try. Okay, we will just provide you our best. Okay, to increase your knowledge, to brush up your knowledge. Okay, thank you so much.